Transparent storage trays. Set of 2 durable clear plastic trays for your kitchen drawer. Perfect for organizing forks, knives, spoons, other cutlery, utensils, chopsticks, sauce packets, and more. Also great for office, bathroom, craft room, and junk drawer storage. Ridged bottom. Textured base design prevents your items from sliding around in the bin. Low profile design. Short bin walls make the organizers perfect for in-drawer use. Durable. Made of durable clear plastic for years of quality use. Set of 2. Set of 2 4x12x3 drawer organizers, perfect for your home. Simple, smart, and customizable, the iDesign Linus Drawer Organizers will keep your kitchen accessories organized. Made from durable plastic, the storage organizers can be used together or separately, and rearranged to suit your drawer. Non-skid rubber feet prevent sliding, keeping the storage trays in place, and the open design allows easy access to the items inside. Perfect for the kitchen drawer. Wipe the plastic trays with mild soap and water for a quick clean. The trays are also ideal for utility, bathroom, office, and vanity drawers to organize makeup, stationery, hair accessories or craft supplies. The iDesign Linus Drawer Organizer measures 4x12x3, the perfect size for your space. Set of 2 for use throughout your home. With iDesign by InterDesign, you can #live simply every day. Top reviews from the United States. Perfect for the job. I have an extremely small closet, so I have to keep it very organized. I'd seen a shoe holder that stores shoes upright. I looked everywhere for it but only found some available by ordering directly from China. I wasn't willing to wait that long, plus those were very bulky and didn't look as neat as these acrylic drawer organizers. I can usually only get 4 pairs of shoes per shelf in my closet, and that's if I alter the direction that each shoe faces. Using these to stack the shoes upright, I could get 7 pairs easily if I needed to. I'm really glad I found these.